Rewind, you can. If you need to run out and grab a coffee or grab an image out of Google or off your hard drive, you can pause the video and rewind. Watch it as many times as you want. Finally, this is an introduction to Joomla. Joomla is huge. I mean, it powers some of the most impressive websites around the world. It's an amazing content management system. And in these 40 videos, I can't possibly help you see every nuance, every possible option that you might have. My goal is that by the time we're done, you'll have this site up on your screen. All right, are you ready? Let's dive in.